Strange beyond belief. What if aliens already live on Earth? What if they had three hearts, blue blood, could change shape and escape through holes the size of a coin? This is the story of one of the strangest, smartest animals on the planet. This is the story of the octopus in 25 facts. It's not of this world. If you designed a creature to be as bizarre as possible, you'd still fall short of the octopus. Fact 1. Octopuses have three hearts, two for their gills, one for their body. 2. Their blood is blue because it uses copper-based hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin. 3. They have 8 arms, each with up to 200 suckers that can taste and feel independently. 4. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons aren't in its brain, they're in its arms. 5. They can squeeze through openings the size of their eyeball because they have no bones. They're not just weird, they're built like escape artists with brains in their limbs. But the real shock is just how smart they are. The mind's in the deep. Some scientists say octopuses are the smartest invertebrates on Earth. Fact 6. They can solve puzzles, open jars, and navigate mazes. 7. In labs, they've escaped tanks, sometimes sneaking into others to eat fish. 8. They use tools like coconut shells for shelter, something once thought impossible for invertebrates. 9. Octopuses can recognize individual humans and even squirt water at ones they dislike. 10. Their brains evolved completely separately from ours, making their intelligence a case of alien evolution. They may not think like us, but they think, plan, and problem solve. And they don't just outsmart, they outmaneuver. They are shape-shifting survivors. They're the Houdinis of the ocean. Fact 11. Octopuses can camouflage in milliseconds, changing both color and texture. 12. Some mimic sea snakes, lionfish, or flatfish to avoid predators. 13. When threatened, they shoot ink, not just for cover, but to chemically confuse pursuers. 14. Some species detach an arm to distract predators, and it keeps moving. 15. They can regrow arms completely, often in just weeks. They don't fight, they vanish, they confuse, they survive. But their short lives hide something even more tragic and mysterious. The lives of genius cut short. The most intelligent marine animal lives less than 5 years. Fact 16. Most octopuses live only 1 to 2 years. 17. After mating, the male often dies within weeks. 18. The female lays thousands of eggs, stops eating, and guards them obsessively until she dies. 19. Scientists discovered a part of the octopus brain that triggers self-destruction after reproduction. 20. No one knows why such intelligence is paired with such a short, tragic lifespan. They're brilliant and doomed by design. But long before we studied them, others knew how strange they were. From Kraken to cloning labs. From sea monsters to science labs, octopuses have always lived in legend. Fact 21. Myths of the Kraken may be based on giant octopuses or squid. 22. Aristotle thought octopuses were mindless until modern science proved otherwise. 23. In 2015, an octopus named Inky escaped from a New Zealand aquarium and crawled down a drainpipe into the sea. 24. In 2021, researchers began studying octopus brain organoids, lab-grown neuron clusters, to better understand alien cognition. 25. Some scientists even propose octopuses didn't evolve here, but came from frozen space eggs via panspermia. Yes, seriously. Octopuses have always been the strangest creatures in the ocean, and maybe the universe. Here's the twist. In 2023, researchers taught an octopus to interact with a computer screen, choosing patterns and responding to colors. It's not just smart, it's learning like a toddler. What happens when an octopus beats us at our own games? Love deep-sea aliens, brainy animals, and science that makes your head spin? Science is full of surprises. Stay curious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as we learn more together.